Tumblers Today is a pre-war locksmithing manual filled with technical details about commercial and residential lock mechanisms.
Time to fight.
Though originally meant for professional locksmiths, wastelanders now use it to hone their skills in cracking safes, locked doors, and containers across the Mahara. Reading this book permanently increases the player character's lockpick skill by 3 points, or by 4 with the comprehension perk, allowing easier access to locked areas and valuable loot. This issue can be found inside the cave with the prospector's den, in the subterranean den structure, in the large barracks room on the floor in the far right corner.